Get ready for some thrilling smartphone news. Samsung is gearing up to reveal its highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series, and the excitement is building. Despite Samsung's efforts to keep things secret, leaks have given us a sneak peek, and it's looking impressive. Here's the scoop. The Galaxy S24 series will launch with the new One UI 6.1 right from the start. This software upgrade is expected to make these phones feel smoother than any Samsung device before. Thanks to some tweaks, animations have been supercharged for a noticeably smoother user experience. But wait, there's more. Samsung is removing background blur effects to save battery and fine-tuning animations for added elegance. Closing apps on the Galaxy S24 with One UI 6.1 is a delight, with elastic-like animations that eliminate frame rate drops. And there's an AI twist. Samsung is using artificial intelligence to enhance low-light zoom photography, delivering stunning photos even in less than ideal lighting. Now, let's dive into the details of each model in the Galaxy S24 lineup. 1. Galaxy S24 features a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 processors, 8GB of RAM, and storage options of 128GB or 256GB. It's 5G ready with a 4000 mAh battery, priced at $850 to $900. 2. Galaxy S24 Plus offers a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution, the same powerful processors, 12GB of RAM, and storage options of 256GB or 512GB. It has a 4900 mAh battery, 5G capabilities, and costs around $1,050. 3. Galaxy S24 Ultra. The flagship boasts a massive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12GB of RAM, and storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. With a robust 5000 mAh battery, 5G, and fast charging, it's priced at approximately $1,250. In a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is set to redefine smartphone excellence with smoother performance, brighter displays, and enhanced durability. While S23 Ultra owners may not rush to upgrade, those with older Samsung phones or newcomers to the S series will find these devices irresistible. Stay tuned for more details as the launch date approaches, subscribe for updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay excited.